Hey, Duke Dogs. We're going to do another science investigation today. But before we start, let's talk about energy. How do you feel when you're full of energy? I know when I'm full of energy, I just want to run and maybe go do some hard work in my yard or do some exercise, ride a bicycle, run around. And then before I know it, my body gets hot. So all that energy turns into heat. Well, it's the same way with water and air. The warmer water and air get, the more energy is in it. And the colder it gets, the less energy is in it. Remember when we were talking about rain? And I think that's when we were talking about water droplets. And there's always water droplets in the air that we can't see. But as that warm air, the warm air is moving all around and it rises up and it gets colder and colder, the farther away from Earth it gets. And then the water droplets slow down and join together. And the next thing you know, it's raining. Well, it is like that in water. Can you see this water? We can't see it, the water doing anything. It's just clear. And the same for this water. Although this water does have some ice in it still. So guess what temperature this water is if it has ice in it? You're right. It's pretty cold. This water, it doesn't feel hot and it doesn't feel cold. Now I'm going to put some more water in here that's going to be hot. Not hot like boiling, that would hurt me, but water that I got out of the hot water faucet at the sink in the kitchen. So we are going to put some food coloring in the cold water, in the medium cold water, and in the hot water, and see what the food coloring does. What do you think the food coloring is going to do? I don't know if we use this word in class. Molecules. Have you ever heard that word? Molecules? Well, we're talking about water molecules today, but our hair is made of hair molecules. Our skin is made of skin molecules. Paper is made of paper molecules. Glass is made of glass molecules. Everything is made of molecules. And the molecules are either still or they're moving. And in the water we're looking at, we're going to have some still molecules, some medium active molecules, and in the hot water, we're going to have even more active molecules. I'm going to change the angle so you can see the different glasses. Okay. So what's this one? This one is cold. This one is medium. And this one is going to be hot. All right, so I'm going to pour the hot water in here. Ooh, I see it steaming. Can you see the steam from the hot water? Okay. I'm going to put 7 drops in each one. Watch closely. It happens fast. Okay? Are you ready? We'll see if our prediction of different responses of the food coloring in the different temperatures of water. All right. We're going to do hot first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa. That's stuff is moving around fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's falling in a cloud. All right, here goes this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it went to the bottom in a big clump. Now it's coming back up. Ooh, I can already see a difference, Duke Dogs. There are places in this one that are still clear, and there are places in the hot one. Are there any clear places? No. That blue food coloring went everywhere fast. And in the medium, it looks a lot like the hot. But the cold one, the food coloring is moving around much slower. And that is what we predicted. We're going to do one more thing with this water. Hold on just a minute. Okay, Duke Dogs, you also got in your science bag some celery. You thought, what are we going to do with celery? Well, celery comes from a plant. And remember when we were talking about plants, we said that the roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil, and it takes it up the plant into the leaves. Well, on celery, you can actually see the places that carry up the water. There are little round things that you can see at the end. When you eat celery, you get those strings. And those strings are the part of the celery that carries it up to the water and the nutrients up to the leaves. We are going to see how that happens. We're going to put the celery in colored water. Now, you don't have to use blue. You can use a different color, but use the food coloring because it will make a stronger color than if you made colored water with a marker, like we learned last week. Use the red or blue food coloring and make your water a nice dark color, and then we're going to put the celery in and see what happens. Now you'll have to wait. It's not going to happen fast. You might have to wait till tonight or overnight, but there will be a change, and we're going to check on it together when that happens. Thanks for doing science with me, Duke Dogs. I'll see you later.